Yo, Vlog fams, please like and subscribe my video and put the notifications up. Now I'm just gonna start walking. It's really gonna go down. I'm just bored right now because there's nothing I can do, and there's literally nothing. I'm just walking in a deep forest. Hey, you wanna look it? It's desert. I'm gonna skip there, and we're just gonna walk until I just feel better because my day wasn't good. First, rain came and there was a big storm and almost break up my house. And the second of all was even worse. I got terrible news. People aren't subscribing. But guys, if you wanna be a fan, please subscribe in this video. Put subscribe and put the notification, okay? And maybe we can do a B-lock handshake and somehow do it. Are we here? Where is it? That's a long way to go. Literally. Let me put mom on my video. Everybody say hi to my mom. Hi. And she's gonna join us in our most adventure part. And I'll be back on you and put the next video, but this is too short. Let's continue. And we have a little tiny guy, but we'll show you. Yeah, I'm not gonna say my country. That's the worst. Somehow I'm proud, somehow I'm not. Because my country has chaos. And just continue being nice and think we should subscribe and let's just continue with it.